So it was really emotional actually seeing the family again for the first time, and I haven't even seen Parvati. Good morning, namaste, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So those that follow me will know that I have been in India during the year of 2023 for 1 week, stayed in Uganda, and it's now time to move on. Yes, I am at the railway station, going home to see my family in Gokarna on Cuddly Beach. I cannot wait. The train's going to arrive at 2:30. I'll be in Gokarna at 5 o'clock. Cost me 500 rupees in a tuk-tuk to get here. It was quite away from Uganda Resort, you see. That's about a fiver. About $8 US. Behind me, lots of facilities for drinks, food, and definitely Indian chai, which I'm very, very excited about. So literally, I just need to buy my travel ticket, hop on the train, stay on it for 2.5 hours, and then I see my host. So exciting! No, this is, I'll get the next one. Next train is fine.
Your family been to India?
Yes, yes, they have. They have.
You think she's sweet as candy. I know you wanna be with her, but Josie got a reputation, a scratch behind that purr. She's got her little game perfected. She'll let you think you have control, then one day when you least expect it, she'll steal away your soul. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You think you're being clever like a modern man,
at the train station.
Come from very far away.
Yes, I came from England to see you. So those of you who may know, Gokarna means cow's ear, because Gokarna is full of cows, the sacred cows. Look, he's waving his ears to say that. Aren't you? She's beautiful, look. See, she's beautiful. Oh, beautiful cow. Beautiful. Aww. So arrived in beautiful Gokarna. I haven't been here for 13 months, as you know. And the last time I was at Gokarna train station, Chandran came to pick me up. So he's working at the homestay. In fact, him and his wife manage the homestay. And he's also got a tuk-tuk. And I'm going to go in his tuk-tuk to the homestay. Maybe via the dosa shop. Hi, Jayshree! You're driving Papa's tuk-tuk? Oh, bless her. So I prefer to stay longer term in Gokarna than I do in Goa. First and foremost, the family. The authenticity is a lot deeper, I think, here in Gokarna. The environment is a lot calmer, and it's full of temples and Lots and lots of things like tallies and doses, because it isn't Karnataka in the pure south now, whereas Goa so much isn't like that. So yeah, just going to enjoy my ride home, perhaps via a dosa stop, we will see. To find a dosa shop, yay! So it was really emotional actually seeing the family again for the first time, and I haven't even seen Parvati, but oh my god, little Jayshree and Chandran driving the tuk-tuk. Oh my goodness, and so much, so much nostalgia just being back in Gokarna. It is my home. I was here for years and years, all the way through lockdown and the COVID as well. So yeah, as you can imagine, this is really something else, something very special to be back in Gokarna and just await my amazing dosha. So there we have it, my first dosa of 2023 with curry, and I think that's a coconut sauce, and served with a masala chai. Yum, can't wait to get stuck in.
I know you think she's sweet.
Oh my goodness, the seeping spices of the masala chai. Nice. Hi Parvati.
Hi.
Is it nice to have me back in your home?
Yeah.
Thank you for welcoming me back and all this lovely food. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You think she's sweet as candy. I know you wanna be with her, but Josie got a reputation to scratch behind that fur. She's got her little game perfected. She'll let you think you have control, and then one day when you least expect it, she'll steal away your soul. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. I know you're not to blame, and there's no shame in falling for her siren, but while you're still a man, you better get out while you can. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You may think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You may think you're being clever like some kind of modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. You may think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand.
Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. Every little cell in my body is happy. every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad that every little cell in my body is happy and well. Reach up high and touch the sky. Every cell is happy and well. Touch your toes in ragdoll pose. Every cell is happy and well. Touch your nose, do the flower pose. Every cell is happy and well. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. Every little cell in my body is happy. Every little cell in my body is well. I'm so glad that every little cell in my body is happy and well. I'm so glad that every little cell in my body is happy and well. Yay! High five! At the side. Up above. And down. You're too slow! Wow! Ah! Whee! Mwah! So Jayshree is so big now. She was 3 when I first came here. She's now 6 and doing independent yoga, aren't you? Are you going to show everyone your yoga? Wow. Oh, super girl. Super girl. See how disciplined she is. She's amazing. And butterfly. Oh my, do the butterfly. Every cell is happy and well. Oh, are you all right? Wow, downward facing dog. Did you enjoy your yoga? I think she did. She's tired. She's tired after a yoga, bless her. So, I think we're going to finish the vlog here. It was an amazing journey from Goa to Karnataka and meeting up with the family again. We actually kept the initial meeting quite private. Jayshree, what are you doing to the camera? Don't mess with the camera. So the reason we kept that private is we just wanted it more between ourselves. It was just nice, and also because it's emotional and not everybody's up for being on camera like that. And also, you know, my mother just recently died, so emotions are a bit all over the place. So we just kept it really, really nice with things that we all love, like cooking healthy food, eating healthy food, doing yoga, playing with the dogs, as the dogs are being a bit left out of this filming, they're barking. Yeah, it's just lovely to be reunited with the family. The depth of creativity with the cooking and the yoga and how healthy these activities are. So living amongst, you know, a healthy family is just amazing. And of course the Indian authenticity. So thank you all very much for watching the vlog. Shanti, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. And I didn't taste any of the cooking because that's coming in the next vlog. We're doing food vlogging, and that will be the next vlog. I think it might be thalis, just all the information about authentic thalis in an authentic homestay restaurant. So thank you all very much for watching. Kisses. Mwah. Bye for now. Good girl.